workers show up to work expecting to return home safely. But safety is not just about hard hats, gloves, and warning signs such as wet floor. The most dangerous hazards are the ones you cannot see. These are referred to as psychosocial hazards.
A psychosocial hazard can be defined as the emotional and mental harm caused by an unsafe work environment. We are talking about things like anxiety, depression, fatigue, fear of neglect, and not to mention poor communication. And it also shows up as high staff turnover, frequent lateness or absenteeism. It shows up as microaggression, and this is anger, insults, and increased irritability, loss of focus, increased apathy, and poor performance.
What many employers fail to realize is that when physical hazards are ignored, they don't just cause injury, they create low morale, confusion, and even silence. A broken system doesn't just break bones, it breaks the mind of people. Today, we recognize occupational safety and health. Journey with us as we show you what happens when safety is overlooked in an organization.
A maintenance worker was sent onto a roof to carry out repairs. One section was successfully repaired and he moved to the next section. What he did not know, the structure beneath him was weak, compromised, and unsafe. No inspection was done. No warning was given. No protective harness was provided. What happened next? The roof caved in. He fell through and broke his ankle upon impact to the ground. He was rushed to hospital for emergency surgery by his colleagues. While he fought to physically recover, he also faced another burden, the cost, because health takes time. Would you believe it? That from this single incident, he later succumbed to his injuries.
No, every time we come to work, me afraid anything can happen.
We spoke up, but nobody ever listened. Nobody listens. I can't even focus at times. I'm anxious. Anxiety can kill me every day. It's like nobody is here for us. What we can do for them, listen.
And still, we are being pushed to work harder.
If safety matters, I think things would have been a little bit better.
Indeed.
True.
But all of this could have been avoided if only we had a safety regime that ensured workers are never pressured to ignore safety for productivity. Inspection of work areas before work begins. Workers are never sent into unsafe environment. Appropriate personal protective equipment are given to workers. We are talking about harness, gloves, masks, and the list goes on. There need to be timely maintenance of equipment, and there should be no delays when it comes on to repairs.
Additionally, this safety regime should provide proper training so workers know the risk and how to avoid them. Encourage reporting and listen when workers speak. Allow rest and breaks. Ensure workers practice safe lifting and good posture. Keep workspaces clean and hazard-free. Always prepare for emergencies.
A healthy psychosocial environment means
Workers feel safe.
workers are heard.
Workers feel valued.
Safety is everyone's responsibility.
Because one moment of neglect can change everything.
Let's prevent it.